Alright, so I went to the Impressions Expo and I got a ton of information, a ton of video footage. I mean, I'd say I butchered that name from here to next year. I keep calling it the International Expo when it's the Impressions Expo. Yo, trust me, I am so bad with names. But the point is, I got a whole bunch of information. I got even some more, let me show you, see? I got even some more transfers. See, so bad at names. Got even more transfers that I'm gonna add to my running watch list to see which one lasts the longest. All right, so you get the information you need so you can make educated decisions when you're doing, if your machine breaks and you want to go start buying transfers, or a machine you like, and you get to see how long that machine can print out these transfers and they'll last forever, or 10 months or 10 days or whatever the hell amount of washes you can get out of them. Like I said, I got so much information. I got information about, look at this. I got information on machines. I got business card information. I've got UV stickers. I got to talk about them. I got. This is all books about clothing. Blanks, where you can buy blanks, bulk blanks, single blanks, all kind of blanks. So, man, I even got. Look at this thing. Yeah, we got to talk about that. So, so much information. So, hit that subscribe button. Join me on this whole bunch of explanation information. That's gonna be like the next few videos anyway, so just up in between all the other stuff I'm releasing, as you can see. So just hit that subscribe button. Peace.